And just when we thought Adidas was dead, they hit us with something new. Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid. Today, I want to give you guys a YouTube first look and talk about how to cop the Adidas Alpha Edge 4D LTE. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video. Click that like button. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Let's get right into it, ladies and gentlemen. So right when Nike was on the cuffs of knocking Adidas completely out of the first quarter, Adidas decides to come out of nowhere and drop this. This is the Adidas Alpha Edge 4D LTE, the first of its kind. We've never seen this model before. It is officially scheduled to release on February 17th for $300. So let's talk about how to cop. For LA folks, on the Adidas app, you have to sign up on February 15th before noon, or you can go to Nice Kicks, Bait, or Undefeated on February 17th, and hopefully you can get a raffle ticket and you're able to cop. Other than that, limited pairs will be released on adidas.com on February 17th for a suggested retail price of $300. This is a nice mix of the Futurecraft 4D and the Alpha Bounce. I'm curious to know, what do you guys think about this? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Would you cop? Are you passing? I definitely like the look. I've never been a fan of Alpha Bounce, but I definitely like that 4D technology. But drop your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.